Hello everyone! This short tutorial will teach us to do masking or clip masking in Photoshop. Press Ctrl+T on your keyboard to adjust the size of your object. Now select the ellipse tool from the tool menu, draw an ellipse on your object, and change the colors according to your need. Hold the ellipse layer and drag it behind the object layer. Right-click on the object layer, select the duplicate layer. Hide the duplicated layer. Now, hold the Alt key or the Option key, drag the mouse between the object and ellipse layer, then click on it. Unhide and select the duplicated layer and click on the vector mask icon. Press B on the keyboard to select the brush tool and rub the brush around the extra area of the object layer. That's it!